Ice and bitter cold sweeping through most of the country, now affecting vaccinations here in Metro Atlanta. Some sites aren't even sure they will get supplies they need to get through the appointments. Our Sabrina Silva joining us live from the vaccination site in Doraville. And Sabrina, how long will those people have to wait to get their appointments perhaps rescheduled?
Well, Karen, we're learning that the Board of Health actually is trying to still figure that out. Now, I do want to point out that, yes, this cold weather is getting in the way of folks getting their COVID-19 vaccines. But take a look at this. These are volunteers. They have been standing out in the cold for weeks administering the vaccine. And this cold weather is also getting in the way of them moving into better conditions.
It's just like that you want to get it done and get it behind you and try and get back to normal.
66-year-old Peter is excited to finally be receiving his second dose of the COVID-19 vaccine. And he's lucky, as cars line up at the Doraville vaccination site. DeKalb County's Board of Health is working to reschedule dozens of appointments that were canceled yesterday due to severe cold weather.
There was no way that I could make that appointment.
Also in line is 70-year-old Alfred, who wasn't able to get his first dose of the vaccine during an appointment yesterday in Alpharetta, but was quick to schedule one in DeKalb County. But he and many others don't know what's going to happen when he goes to schedule his second dose, as the county is still waiting on 3,300 doses of the Moderna vaccine that was supposed to be here earlier in the week, but like everything else, has been delayed due to the weather.
Wow, I think that's tough. That is tough. I mean, what can you do?
As if the cold can't get any worse, it's also delaying the opening of a new site at the Doraville MARTA station that's replacing the one outside BrandSmart USA. The new site is said to have tents with HVAC systems installed, so their volunteers no longer have to stand outside for hours in the cold administering the vaccine.
They should have good conditions because, you know, they're doing a fabulous job.
Now they hope to get that new location opened up next week, and they'll update us later on those rescheduled appointments. Now, Cobb and Douglas counties also rescheduled appointments, and they tell us that right now they don't have any issues with supply. Live in Doraville, Sabrina Silva, CBS 46 News.
And Sabrina, they need to remember, they may think, okay, Moderna vaccine not here, I can get the Pfizer vaccine. Right now, you cannot mix and match those vaccinations.
No.
So Sabrina, great information. Thank you so much.